Hi everyone, this is another unboxing video of a Louis Vuitton item that I just got. So let's see. I am very excited to see this item. So got this online, ordered it online, and it just arrived today. Go. It is a Louis Vuitton box. It has an envelope. I think it is a magazine. Yep, I already have this item or this magazine. So, but nice touch. For some reason, I'm not sure because I've been ordering a lot of the items online, and sometimes they send the magazine with the box, and sometimes they don't. So I don't know what the rationale is. Alright, so here it is, the box, nicely wrapped. Ta-da! So here it is. Oh, I'm loving the color, orange color. So this is the Keepall Bandoulière. That's how they pronounce it. 25. So I think the Keepall version comes in 4 sizes. So they have an extra small, and they have this one, and another one that is a little bit bigger, and then of course the bigger size. The strap is in here, and it actually has a pocket here as well. Alright, so one thing to notice, I think this is new. I've never seen them doing this before in terms of wrapping the hooks with this plastic. Huh, that's interesting. All right, so let's see. So you can carry it like that. And you know, initially I thought it would be too big or too small, but I think it's perfect size for me. And you can also put the strap on. Oh, I didn't see this. It also comes with this tag, and you can personalize this as well. So you can put it on like that. And you can wear it like that. Like that. Looks like it also has a little hook here, so you can put a little charm right here as well. Very versatile. Another thing to mention is the strap is actually cloth instead of leather for this item. So let me show you. You can also, so I have this charm. As you know, I am also a charm collector. So you can also put a charm on here, and it's really cute. Or you can also put it on the hook right here. And drag it like that. So really cute.